Well, no news.
Yep, no news today.
So I don't know. I feel like I don't know. I feel like the market's gonna do like a little drop.
We're gonna see. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. I am so excited to be here tonight. Well, today, man, it's already the evening in my head. Believe it or not. Welcome everybody. I am excited because we have another week of opportunities to execute in the market safely, and we're going to try printing some money. With that being said, base hits, people. Base hits. This week I'm going for base hits only because base hits gets the payouts. And this week I'm trying to take a nice little payout this week. So with that being said, we're going to look at the markets here. We're going to see what we got going on so we can get dialed in and prep for 9:30 open. Good morning, Iz. Welcome home, sir. Welcome home. So right now we got the close from Friday. 25,107.75. VWAP is currently sitting up around 154 area for the VWAP. The 21 EMA is sitting right around the 25,079 level. Let me check our pivots. So we have a pivot below us down at 855.75, 855.75, and the pivot above us would be there we go, 473.25, 473.25. But I'm gonna be waiting the first 15 like usual. Want to keep it safe today. Not sure, I wasn't live yet, but G made mention we have no news today, so we already know what no news Monday looks like. It may be kind of choppy, so don't just jump in. Make sure you're dialed in, ready to execute. Good morning, Dylan. Let's make some monies. I love it. Let me double check our audio.
Where's your VWAP at?
Good morning, Steve. Bad King, Cash King. Go ahead, boy. The VWAP is sitting up around 153, like right there at 153.
Good. I just wanted to see if we were like tuned in on the same frequency today.
I'm glad we are, sir. I'm glad we are. I'll pull that music down just a tad. Because
I already see a potential bear flag forming on the pivot already.
Yeah, I see it forming as well. Let's see what we get. Everybody
on the call and on the internet, that was Big G that just spoke.
Good morning, Hamid.
Yes, sir.
We got a lot of exciting news today I gotta share with y'all. So we're gonna wait for more people to jump on these streams here, because I got some exciting news, everybody. Got some exciting news, and no, it's not. I'm going to Mexico this coming Sunday. That's not the exciting news. Like, we got better news than that. Good morning, Chandler. Good mornings. I'm ready to try printing some money today. I gotta pay some bills. Actually, no bills. Like, I have most of all my bills, thankfully, on like auto, so I never had to think about having to pay them. Because if I had to think about them, I'm gonna end up paying them late by accident. Not because I don't want to pay them, just because I forget about them. Let's see. Perfect. Yep. We're locked in. We're good to go. Who watched the Super Bowl last night?
I did.
I
did. How much money did you make? Was gonna win.
Okay. I briefly watched it. I had a whole Super Bowl party last night with the family, and I barely watched the game. But man, it's so different than back in the day now. Like back in the day, we would watch the commercials more than the Super Bowl because the commercials were just that good and funny. Where now I feel like the commercials are just blah. You know what I'm saying? In the games lately, they're just like blowouts. Those aren't fun. Those aren't fun. I don't know if one of you felt that way, but lately these Super Bowls have not been hitting the same way anymore.
Like I wasn't even tuned in to the commercials and stuff like how normally we do at the Super Bowl.
Yeah,
it was just weird. But I mean, I was watching the game for the most part, boring game in the beginning. But
yeah,
I got to the second half. They scored a few, but yeah, man. Seahawks was the better team.
Yeah. And good for them, you know what I'm saying? Like, at the end of the day,
they got their payback.
They got their payback, and how do I say it? It's amazing to even reach the Super Bowl. You know what I'm saying? So the fact that both teams made it, they accomplished getting to the Super Bowl. I know everyone wants to win, but just getting to the Super Bowl, because the Patriots made history too, even though they lost. I believe it's the most losses in the Super Bowls because they've been there so many times. Good morning, Alan. Good morning, Leslo.
Morning, Moose.
Mr. Mooser, good morning. Dylan, nice on the 750 on the game. Smooth, good job as well. Y'all making money even off the charts. I love it.
Hey, Duane.
Yes, Musa.
This I downloaded the file, right?
Yeah.
From the vault.
Yep.
It won't let me open it. Is this because I don't have a Windows app in this?
I forgot.
Or is it I don't have a what is it called?
PDF. Yeah. I didn't know you were on. I forgot you were on your Mac.
Yeah.
He's the Mac daddy, you know that.
Is there a way to transfer it over to like a regular file, or maybe you could screenshot it and then send it to me?
I'll double check because it won't download into the Ninja tray because Ninja for Mac looks different.
Damn.
Yeah.
Well, I mean,
Good morning, Brett.
I have Ninja here. I have Ninja pulled up on my screen already, like the platform.
Yeah.
I just need to know how to pull up the wrinkles, how to make them here, how to put them.
So let's see. I'm trying to think of a quick way.
I have an account here.
Honestly, you may just need to use some wrinkles on TradingView.
I can't.
Okay, you may need to use some wrinkles on Tradeovate because there are the standard wrinkles on Tradeovate.
All right. Well, we'll figure it out. I'll call you later. We'll talk.
Okay. We got 2 minutes for market open. 2 minutes for market open. Yeah, I'm excited. No news Monday, so be prepared for a chop fest. I'm gonna try executing some quick base hits today after 9:45. Just working on this payout. So we're gonna completely try to be as cautious as possible. Good morning, DL. Alan, good morning. Laszlo, appreciate the tip. Buy low, sell high. You know what I'm saying? Like, man, the chat's just coming in with the fire tips for me today. Oh, let me see how many. I'll wait. I'm going to talk about it when we're getting closer to 9:45. I got some news to tell everyone. I got some great news.
Oh, man, you're making us wait.
I know I'm making y'all wait. I know, see it. But
Duane is having a baby.
Definitely not. Nope. Don't put those heebie-jeebies over here. No, sir.
I remember the first time I did that. Duane was like, man. You remember? I remember that day perfectly well.
No, Brad. No, we have no news for the market. I have personal news to tell y'all today on stream. So I'm gonna use the time between 9:30 and 9:45 to tell you the great news, so I don't FOMO into a trade.
Yeah, we gotta like make sure we're not in the market when Duane drops his news.
No, you're allowed to be in the markets while I'm dropping it. It's not that serious. Like, it's not that serious. Here we go. Less than 10 seconds. 5 seconds for market open. Let's let this rip. Here we go. Market's open. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee.
Ooh-wee.
Don't look at the markets, Duane. Don't look at the markets. You follow your rules and discipline. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Betsy.
Oh, my stomach.
Not my stomach, Jesus. Alrighty, well. Market looks like it may be moving today. But anyway, so this morning when I woke up, look at that. Oh, focus, Duane, focus. Don't look at the markets. Be careful, boys. It is the first minute of the market open. She is looking slightly heavy-ish, but let's see what happens. Let's build a flag. But I woke up this morning and the channel was officially accepted into the YouTube creator program, where now we're going to be monetized on YouTube, and we'll be fully monetized on Wednesday of this week. So we got partially monetized. The channel will be fully monetized come Wednesday of this week. So that's super exciting. And then on top of that, my guy finally sent me the edit for the vlog for Canada. So that video will be dropping today. I am dropping that video today. I already got the video. I just gotta put a thumbnail on it and post it. So I'm excited. Your boy is excited because everything's flowing together at the end of the day. So appreciate all you guys that tune in on the YouTube streams, everything like that, for the hangouts and the morning streams. I couldn't have gotten monetized without y'all, to be real. And I'm excited because this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. Looking like we're getting a little bear flag right here, trying to print. But I don't like that those buying wicks on those two candles. No, we don't need super chats. We don't need super chats. Keep your money in your pockets. We print money over here in the market, so I appreciate that, Hamid. But just honestly, between that and then Legacy Wealth Society this weekend crossed over 200 members as well. So just crazy, because less than a year ago, when I started Legacy Wealth Society, I told myself I just want to get 100 members in the first year. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was like, maybe we could get 100 members in the first year. We're over 200 in less than a year. And we're just getting started. So I'm excited because this year we'll probably a couple thousand members added this year. All because everyone's simply trying to win, and we're truly trying to help people win in the market. And that's what I'm thankful for. I'm truly thankful. Thank you, Alan. But all right, let me stop crying on the stream with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Tears of joy. Let's try printing some money. I got less than, we got 11 minutes left. 11 minutes left here for me to be able to execute some trades. Just watching this market. I want to see it settle. I want to see the market settle so that way it's not going to be as choppy chop, hopefully, for us. Because I'm trying to take some safer trades today. because we're shooting for a decent sized payout this week. In order to get it, we gotta stay dialed. God is definitely good, bro. You ain't lying about that.
I like the way this is moving.
Right now, it's the first 15. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's only been 5 minutes. It's only been 5 minutes, so.
Gotta give me a direction here.
Moose wants to see a direction.
Well, this is Moose's internal dialogue on the dance floor. I don't like the way this is moving. You gotta give me a direction.
Anthony, welcome, sir. I use one strategy to trade, bro.
Jesus.
I use one strategy to trade, and simply it just works because it's so simple. So I'm currently waiting till the first 15 minutes to be completed for me to be able to execute trades. Why do I wait the first 15 minutes? Because as a trader, when you trade from 9:30 till 9:45, and hold on. I just realized my computer's not plugged in. Not trying to have it get wonky on us. There we go. What's up, Delroy? Welcome. If you're trading the first 15 minutes of for the market for the New York session, there's a lot of volatility. And in that, will you win some trades? 100%. But you risk losing trades as well. And I don't know about y'all, I don't like losing. So for me, because I trade multiple funded accounts across a couple different prop firms, I noticed whenever I would trade like an eval for the first 15, because of the volatility, when I would switch over to trade my funded accounts, mentally, I would be like thinking of the eval trade. So for me personally, I'm not trying to think about, because I was breaking my rule, because I have a rule of waiting the first 15. And like all traders, we all find a way sometimes to like navigate getting around our rules we set for ourselves. So I would trade evals for the first 15. But I noticed if I was red in one of my evals, whenever I would switch over to my funded, I would instantly become red in that funded. Because mentally, I told myself I already lost, even though it was an eval. So that's why I don't even touch the first 15 anymore in evals or fundeds, because I'm a better trader waiting the first 15 minutes. That's just what my stats tell me. And since that's what the stats say, I'm gonna listen to the numbers, because the numbers do not lie. Alrighty, well, we made a low for the day, not 955.50. Are we gonna pump it up? Pump it up. Who knows? What we gonna do here? We're at the high so far for today for the range that's not completed yet. But I feel like we're going to build a bull flag right here and go up, maybe test the close from Friday and the VWAP for this 15-minute range here. No news today, so let's try being safe today, boys. Anthony, yes, I'm looking for bull flags and bear flags. And I watched for the momentum on the Rincos once I see the flag. Once the flag's complete, I'm watching the Rincos to see my entry and exit. Coming up to the close from Friday, 107.75.
Right, hey guys, 11.50 on that trade.
Go ahead, G.
G money in the house.
I don't know why I just want to say G unit. I'm sorry. I had to. I don't know why. I just had to, like, the kid in me. What's up, Gus? Coming up to the VWAP. VWAP's sitting right around 126.25 right now in that area. So let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Because we got the overnight high up there at 346. Is that right? Yeah. Overnight high at 346.50. So we already tested the lows for the overnight session. So let's see if we test the highs. The vlog came out really well. Our editor did really well with it for the first one, because I told him, I'm like, look, you're gonna learn me, I'm gonna learn you, because he's done like commercials for my businesses, but this is completely different than a commercial for a security company. Completely different, but came out really good. I told him, like, we're gonna learn each other and we're just going to continue to grow. Because some of his transitions, I'm like, man, it would take me like 2 months to figure that transition out. Anthony, mine is set for 8.4, so it's moving by price action. Not a time limit. But if you're using time limits, then honestly drop it down to the lowest possible. So we're currently above the VWAP. It heard me say it, so now we're below the VWAP. Gotta love the market makers. Just patiently waiting. I got literally 3 more minutes to be cleared to trade, but I'll wait till 9:46 to really execute here. Alan, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just had to, bro. I had to. Like, they were big when I was growing up. What can I say? So getting this bull flag right here on the 2 minute, or this is the 1 minute actually. Let me start doodling so I don't FOMO into a trade.
Sing a song.
No, I am not singing no songs. We're trying to get people to come, like, and subscribe. I'm not trying to make them run away, okay? So we keep stalling right there at that previous candle wick. So we're gonna need to just hold and wait.
We're gonna hold and wait.
Yo, this time, right? This time next week, I'm gonna be trading from a Mexico. I'm gonna be trading from a balcony in Mexico live with y'all. So I'm excited. Your boy's excited. I'm gonna have to double check to see if I streamed back in November when we were there on the YouTube as well, because I am taking the 5G hotspot I took to Canada, but I want to make sure that we don't have the same issues we had when I was in the airport in Canada, because that thing just completely crashed on us. All right, we're getting ready to complete this 15-minute range here. Just waiting for 946 so I can tell you the full range. But the low of the range currently 955.50. 955.50 is the low. Waiting to give you the high here in a few minutes.
I was saying you something, Duane.
Okay. You sent in the community?
No, I just text.
Okay, it hasn't come through yet on my end.
It's gonna be worth its weight in gold when it gets there.
There we go. That's a solid spread right there, Steve.
Yes, sir.
Listen, it's 9:45. You're trying to make me hungry already, bro. That's not
hungry for trade.
That's not fair.
Trade.
All right, so we got 946. So the range is completed. The range is completed. 167.25. 167.25 is the high of this 15-minute range. So now we can work on looking for a move to execute a solid trade on. Let me start our doodling. All right, there, breaking out of the range right there. So we broke out for a quick second, pulled right back in. Let's see what we get. Come on, Betsy. All right, just broke out of the 15-minute range fully right there. Oof. Oof. What in the world? Be careful. That's a chop right there. That's a chop. It's Monday, no news, and that's a massive chop we just had right there. So
yeah, that was definitive, man.
I don't like that. That was kind of bad. Not gonna lie.
NQ is behaving like ES, man. It just bleep.
I don't like how the Bears almost flipped that candle.
Oh, the fact that it pulled it so far down on the wick so decisively, man.
Alrighty, well, I think I'm gonna hold for a couple more minutes. Let's see.
You're grateful I sent you the poop thing now. You got something else to think about.
100%. 100%. First target to the upside would be 273. 273. Alan, it's in the description of the stream. Nightbot is posting it as well. Just copy and paste it, and you can join the community completely for free.
Yo, Duane, you said the upside was 273, right?
Yeah.
I got out of the trade, 273.
You got out of your trade at 273?
No, I got out of my trade and I made 273.
Oh, okay. I'm like, we're not anywhere close to 273 right now, so I don't know how you got out there. I call cap. I'm calling cap.
No, I was in the trade when you said it. When you said the goal, whatever it's called, and then I got out and I made 273.
Hey, profit.
Yeah, little because that was dancing.
Yeah, I'm just waiting. I want to see a solid flag. I'll even drop down to the 1 minute, see if we're trying to do some type of flag.
New 4 hour in 10 minutes.
10 o'clock in pretty much 10 minutes. Cash, what's moving fast, bro? You're looking at the heartbeat right here of the market. That's the pulse of the market right there. We're doctors over here, you know what I'm saying? We're reading pulses of the market, making sure it's alive or dead. One of the two. $650 right there on that trade. $650 on that trade. I wish it didn't move as quick there, so I could just held it a little bit longer, because I know that was less than 10 seconds. But $650 on the first trade of the day. We'll take that. We're going to rotate to the next account. And we just keep it moving. That's it. Here, all right, right through the VWAP right there, right through the VWAP. Like it wasn't even sitting there. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly.
I'm up 597 right now.
Moose, call it a day, Brent.
I am.
Like,
Come on.
I'm trading.
Listen, I don't believe his voice. And you say, I am.
Oh, man.
No, oh, come on, man. Alexa, shut him down.
The haters
Shut
have
'em down.
entered. the haters have arrived.
No haters over here, Moose.
No
Nothing
haters,
but love
man.
from your brothers. Nothing but love from your brothers.
No, I'm not saying hating in the sense of I'm making it, in the sense of not believing me.
Oh, no, we believe you. We believe you.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
just know
really.
your feet may start sweating in a little bit.
In a little bit. You know what's crazy? The people on the chat must roast me.
No, no one's roasting you.
Who the hell sweats on their feet? A nervous one.
No, Mitch, he was talking, he was sweating too one day.
Yo,
I'm like, you sound like Moose right now. When I had lunch with him the other day.
if you know, you know.
Yeah, luckily I haven't had to do one of these to hold myself into a market in a trade. Like if I'm in a real bad trade, folks, I grab the wall and I hold on for dear life. But we haven't had any of those recently, thank God.
That has been a while. I haven't seen that.
Listen, I'm your boy's more dialed. Your boy's more dialed. What can I say? I need less than $700 on that account I just took that last trade on to be able to take out a $1,500 payout on that one. Henny, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you tune in from, or good evening.
Good
Never know.
stuff.
All right, let's build us out a little bear flag. Come on, market, build us a bear flag so I can make some more money. Show me the smoney's. I am liking the movement today so far. I'm not going to lie about that. I did not like that hard chop that we did after we broke out, but I'm just happy it's not just chopping in a small area. Bottom left stock is going to jump soon. Okay, yeah, that's the Nasdaq right here on the left. So, good morning, Chris. I feel like if we get through this 21 EMA, we may keep coming back down, at least to test the middle of this 15-minute range here. All right, well, there's through the 21 EMA. Let's see if we get some follow through here. Come on, Bears. I closed it. We hit the 1,000. I just closed it out right away. I ain't trying to let it just sit.
Yeah. Hey, 5-minute warning on 10 o'clock.
Thank you, Steve. I don't really trade stocks. We just tapped the VWAP there. We do have some selling pressure. I may double back to this account. Not sure yet. But I will rotate to the next one. Because I got a feeling, but I got a feeling. So on the 2 minute, we're trying to do a little bear flag. Well, we gotta get below that VWAP again. Definitely need us below the VWAP for the short. Henny, they're just showing the momentum of the market. I do not recommend trading Renko bars just by themselves. You need to pair them with the standard candlesticks. What's up, Cam? Good morning, sir. Another one of my Canadian brothers, finally. All right, so there's the bear flag. Push through my yellow line, but that previous candle has a little wick on it. So I want to get below this previous candle's wick where the buyer stepped in. For me, I want to take the short. The lower charts right now, that's the 2 minute and the 5 minute. The Renkos are set for 8-4. Kim, my morning's going pretty well, sir. Going pretty well. Hopefully you're having a solid morning as well. No coffee on the agenda. I don't drink coffee. Tons of selling pressure right now. So I'm just waiting to get through my yellow line. I'm taking that all the way downtown. If we get through that bottom yellow line. BP, good morning, sir. Come on, Betsy. All right, here comes 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock's coming up. Less than 40 seconds. Less than 40 seconds. 30 seconds out for 10 o'clock here, so definitely wait until after 10. Hopefully we just continue to consolidate right here till after 10 o'clock so I could jump in real quick. We still have not broken through my bottom yellow line there. There's 10 o'clock as well. And we're just holding and waiting. Holding and waiting. I always recommend you guys draw on your charts and you put the line in the sand. You put it down and you say, I'm not taking a trade unless we break through this line. And that will save you so much money. Advice for turning 17. You have a long road ahead of you, sir. Don't rush the process. We still got this selling pressure. I'm waiting for it to break. Because when it breaks, it's gonna be some monies. Some monies. Man, it's just dancing right now. Comes closer to the yellow line, and then it goes in the opposite. So we just gotta wait.
We're waiting.
Well, sorry to hear, man. That's rough. I lost both my grandparents, so I understand that pain. Honestly, just be there for them. There's more selling pressure. Here comes my yellow line. There's the yellow line tap. Let's make sure we don't push it back up. Still got a little bit of buying pressure right here. A little bit of buying pressure in this area. That's why I have not gone short yet. There's the yellow line. We tapped it. But we need follow through. I need follow through here. That's why we wait for the follow through.
You don't want to short into that wick, that's for sure.
Nope. And we already knew that there was buying pressure down here, just looking at the previous candle wick. So if we can see from the previous candles that we got some buying pressure, we don't want to just go short just because we tap it. You know what I'm saying? We gotta wait. That it was. But let's see what we get, because we have selling pressure up where we're currently sitting at. Someone's going to have to win this. The Bulls or the Bears. Someone's going to have to win.
He's got the double cap on the flag.
Well, we pushed through it with momentum. I'll take the long.
I
But
know.
if we come down to the bottom, I'm taking the short.
It's a concession to a No News Monday that you have like the two sides.
Jesus, that slippage was crazy. That was crazy. I closed at 600. I got 340 on that.
Whoa.
Yeah. Let's rotate to that one. That one's. I'm rotating.
Rotation time.
All right. Are we getting ready to start pumping? First target to the high side. First target to the high side for me. Where's that at? 570, not 272, 272, 75. 272.75 would be my first target. We do have Friday's high up here as well at 222.50. BP, if you want to, bro. You shouldn't ask me. You have access, bro. If you want to come join us. If you want to be on the YouTube, be on the YouTube. Come on, Betsy. Give us something. I'm ready to execute here. But I want to see another flag. Because this bull flag did pay. But we need some more. Alright, cool. Let's see if we build out another flag. Because the flags always repeat themselves. Let's see if we get some structure on this flag right here to take us higher. Good morning, everybody. For all the new people in here, stay safe in the markets because this is not financial advice. You can lose money. Trust me. I've lost plenty trying to learn how to do this. Tonight, we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. We got tonight's Hangout. We're going to vibe up, talk trading, talk life, and everything in between. Next Monday's Traders Hangout will be from Mexico. And we're going to be straight vibing. We may be doing like a stream walking around the resort at night. Who knows how we're going to do next week's Traders Hangout. But it will be fun and cool. For all the new people in here, today we just got accepted to the YouTube Partners Program. So excited about that. You take the bull flag. I took a part of it, Cam. I did take it. I closed at $600, but I only got 340 because of slippage. So tomato. But up for the day, I'm already over $1,000 between two accounts. I am red in one account, but I'm debating if I don't even try. I'm not cleaning up today. I just told myself, because that's one of my rules. I never go back and clean them up. I wait for the next day. I just rotate through all my other accounts. Okay, another bull flag here. Let's get through my yellow line, and I'll take another one. Need the follow through. Let's see if we get it. No follow through, no trade with the momentum. Patiently waiting. Looking at the 2-minute chart, by the way, for anyone that's wondering. That's where my eyes are at.
That's a good place to be. No, you're waiting on that flag.
Yeah, patiently. Here comes the yellow line. Let's see if we get follow through. Not enough there for me to jump in. We didn't have the follow through yet.
The Rankos immediately went the other direction, like, yep.
Come on, Betsy. There's the yellow line tap once again. But we got some wicks, previous candle wicks up here as well for showing some selling pressure. So that's why I have to wait for the follow through with the momentum. If there's no follow through, I'm not taking it along. And there we go. That's why we were waiting. We got to wait for the momentum. If the momentum's not there, you cannot execute the trade.
Well, you could, but it's not going to end good for you.
You definitely can take the trade, but
Probably
you may not like your results.
What's up, guys?
Ooh, BP, good morning, sir. BP, next Friday, we're going to be having dinner.
Is it next Friday?
Yeah, next Friday, bro.
Yeah. Time's been flying by.
That it has. And just so you know, BP's still in bed.
No, I'm not.
He didn't sound like he's still in bed.
He just removed the crust out of his eyes. All right, let's see what the market's doing. Okay, I'm here. All right, so we got that buying wick right there. I'm still waiting. I want to see us push through the yellow line in order to jump in.
What are you going for right now? Long or short?
It'd be a long for me for this flag here, but we gotta get more momentum for it.
What's on your mind, BB, of the markets?
I need more time. I'll get back to you here in a second on that. This looks like this had a rejection block.
Come on, Betsy. You're right there, too. Let's see if the bulls step in. I'm not trusting it right now. I want to go long, but I'm not trusting it.
Yeah, we're lagging right now.
I closed it. 220 right there. It's too slow. It's too slow right there. I don't like that. It may get ready to rip, but it's too slow for my liking. Too slow for my liking. We just cleared through yesterday, well, Friday's high. Target I'm looking for is 272.75 at this point. Good morning, sir. Tell them I said if they don't leave you alone, they're going to deal with me. Go tell them. Let my boys stay home from school today because it's my... Yes? Tell them to let... I said for you to join. All right. Yeah, I'll deal with them. Stop picking at that. Thank you.
I'm gonna deal with them. Tell them that Michael will make sure all your kids don't grow.
Yeah, it was my oldest son's birthday today. Then my youngest is on Thursday. So they had some of their friends sleep over last night for the Super Bowl party. So we told them that they get to stay home a day. They get a Florida skip day. Because we don't have snow days here.
Well, there's like some of that Timu bullshit activism where there's supposed to be a walkout in Seminole County on Friday, and you know, I didn't raise this treasonous bastard. So my son's not interested, but I told him he could stay home that day.
Yeah. Ule, good evening, sir. Appreciate you jumping in here. Hopefully you had a solid Monday so far for you, since you're ahead in time. Let's see if we build this flag out here. I'm looking at the 2 minute. Because the flags love to repeat themselves. Just saying.
If this starts pushing up, I'll take a buy.
So far, over $1,100 in between 3 accounts. I did lose a G in 1 account, so not happy about that. So I'm pretty much break even, maybe a little profit for the day so far. Oh, we just finished that playlist. We gotta go to a new one. What is going on with my music?
I'll work the money in here for something.
All right, so right now we're doing some consolidation right here. We do have some selling pressure up here at the 235 level. We do have selling pressure up here. So I want us to clear out that pressure with momentum for me to take another long here. I say yes, Ule, but I'm green in 3 accounts, red in 1 account.
You asked me earlier what my bias would be.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure that we're pretty bullish and we're gonna go take out Asia high. Right now it looks like we've just got one of those just classic setups where you have a 4-hour fair value gap tap and then you have a bullish SMT on the 15 minutes. So it just looks like it's just gonna run highs.
Yeah, but
Not gonna lie though, like the best
Mommy.
entry for this was like in between the price of 139 to 41.
so go long. That's what you're saying, BP. Go long.
Well, I'm assuming that we're going to be going up. Now you just have to find a good place to position yourself, and if you can try to go leave like runners and like kind of just go for like an all or nothing, which is like move to break even, and if it keeps flushing higher, then like it keeps flushing higher, but if it comes back, then like end up with nothing, but at least you didn't lose anything either. But it's just depending on your trading style. That's kind of like how I feel like I would do it.
980 on that trade.
Go ahead, G. Go ahead.
Nice.
I switched over to 150K eval that I'm trying to get past here. I'm done trading fundeds for the day. Let's see if we get the push to 272. 272 is where I want to go.
YM has finally started catching up. Man, I should have went long on YM. That would have been crazy. It was so low when I saw this.
I jumped in just to get the feet wet there, but I'm not. This is an eval, so I'll trade this a little bit more aggressively. You'll see a whole lot more clicks on the eval than you would see on funded. Just saying. But right now, I'll be waiting. I wasn't even looking at my charts. I just jumped in just to click the button. Not gonna lie, boys. Not gonna lie.
We do have this 5-minute fair value gap that starts at like 212. So maybe we could use that as support. Just might see like double the drawdown depending.
When I close out, we hit the 1,000 mark. So I'm like, let me just kill this. We have less than 2 minutes for the next candle on the 5-minute. Alrighty. Well, on that 2-minute, we're dropping. I love listening to my kid.
I'm thinking maybe I can take a long somewhere between 172 and like 139.
Okay.
If I can get it, maybe it'll bounce higher before then.
Well, we got this 21 EMA down below us right now at the 180 level. So I feel like we got to get through that to retest the 15 possibly. If we're trying to go on down here. New candles printing on the 5-minute here. We do have some buying pressure down here, but it's looking heavy to me.
Heavy, baby. It's going down to a BB level so it can springboard and take it to the moon, Jack.
Let's say we start building a little bear flag. But I feel like we're going to test that. Well, I can't even say it fast enough. Testing that 21 EMA right there. There we go. We pushed briefly through it and then we popped right back above it. So if we lose this 21 EMA, we're definitely going to drop back into the 15-minute range. No, this is the Nasdaq. This is the Nasdaq.
I think it's a great time, but the 1 hour is kind of lagging behind and on YM, so it's kind of creating some selling pressure.
Okay. We did just tap the 15-minute range right there.
We tapped it good.
We tapped it. We tapped it. So, BP, you're looking for a long at what level?
I was looking for a long in between 173 and 139.
Okay. We have the VWAP currently sitting at 137.75. 137.75 for the VWAP. Let's see if the Bulls protect this high the 15-minute range or if the Bears are going to bring us on down here.
Bring us on down.
I don't care what it wants to do. We're going to make some smonnies.
Where's the top of your 15-minute range?
My top is currently sitting right at 167.25. 167.25. Hopefully all you guys on the streams are staying safe in the markets today. Don't just risk it for the biscuit. It's not worth it. It's not worth it.
No, but you know.
Good morning, everybody.
G is at least 2K today. He's gonna go. He's gonna be 5G at the end of the thing. He's gonna have $5,000 in that.
Hey, whatever works. Whatever works.
Look, he won't speak for himself, so it's up to us to talk for him.
No, Steve. I'm here.
I want to see us build out a little flag right here and take us lower.
I'm not even gonna get tagged in. That sucks. I put it way too low.
I think it's gonna shoot up.
Yeah.
I should have took a potential first entry, but I did not.
I wanted to take that. I wanted to take that little buy. I wanted to take a buy when it was at the 25 180. That's a look at that. Look. Damn. Looks like I'll repeat this stuff again. I might jump back in on 25 22 if it goes over that. Like,
Yeah.
on that 25 22. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's pumping. It's pumping. I want to see if we're going to stall on this 5 minute right up here around like the 5:30. If not, I may start trying to look for a bull flag here.
Nice. I should have took the initial entry.
I think we all should have taken that one.
The sellers are over there. They're in that area, that 260 area. That's where they pushed it down. Over last time, it went up. It went up to that 260 and then it pushed it up. They dropped it down. No, let's see. Hopefully, like it'll break it this time.
The 15 closed bearish, but that's a retracement 15, and then the 30 closed bullish. So did the hour before, and then so did the 4 hours. I think we're gonna go up.
Hey, from your list of God's ears, we got a target up there at 272. BP Dylan said that long off that 5 minute gap was golden.
I thought it was flat.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it was, man. It was very true.
Let's see if we can build us a little bear flag, just a baby flag. Give us a little flag on the 2 minute. Just turn this candle green, red, and then take us higher. That's all we need.
Sounds so simple when you say it like that.
I know, right? When I say it that way, it's like, man, trading real easy. That's all you need. Come on, Betsy. Come on, Betsy.
Oh, it's playing with it now.
For everyone on the YouTube streams, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit the like button on the stream. We got to let YouTube know that these streams are worth coming to. And it helps with the algorithm as well so other people can find us. Because right now, across both streams, we only got 4 likes on one stream. And then 3 likes on the other. So we need more likes, folks. We need more likes. Help your boy out. What's up, Trevor? And sure enough, I'm not paying attention. I'm looking at how many likes we got. And we have bull flag print. Oh boy. Well, you didn't forget now, bro.
man, I wasn't paying attention. That was an SMT.
That just happened to me, bro. I was looking at how many likes the streams got. We printed a bull flag.
Yo, that bull flag was definitely needed for this to just keep running. I didn't realize, but damn. Yeah. ES and NQ came and swept out the lows, and ES didn't, and then we just started ripping.
We're going for that 272 right now. So I'll wait till we hit that 272 and then wait for the next move. This is 150K eval, by the way, so I am not trading fundeds right now. I'm done trading my funded accounts for the day. It's 10:30. I put over $1,100 in some fundeds. Then I lost a G in one of my funded, so that's honestly why I like rotating my accounts, because even if I'm red in one account, I'm still positive in other accounts. Smooth, good save, bro. Good save. I did that on one of my funded accounts. I was right there, ready to blow it, and I brought it back to life and took a payout on it before blowing it. So that's always a good feeling. Pulling it back from the depths of hell. Let's see if we get another flag, because we know they love to repeat themselves. So it's crazy. Right now we're officially partially monetized with YouTube. And then
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
No, go ahead, Moose.
You have 296 as a zone?
296?
Yeah.
No.
No? Okay. That's what I have that as a zone, but I don't know. What do you have?
Right now I have, let me switch back over to it. The 272 level was my first target here from the 15-minute range. Next target for me would be 346.75. That's the overnight high.
Okay.
346.75. That's the overnight high. That would be my next target before my official target above us.
Gotcha. Okay. 346. Oh shit, it's up there. Sorry, as you're talking, I'm like trying to
Hey Moose, because we have all ages on the stream, so instead of saying shit, say vulgar dash.
Oh, forget it, yo. Forget it. It's a lot less syllables with shit.
Honestly, no comment, because I haven't looked at them. I can't comment on something that I'm not following. I'm not that guy. I'm not just talking about stuff that I have no clue what I'm talking about.
We might have a little retracement for a little bit.
Well, from your lips to God's ears, I'm all for it.
That hour is super stretched right now.
I feel like this is the bull flag. Honestly, I don't know what religions think trading's bad. Those aren't my religions. I'm not talking about religions either that I don't follow.
Yo, they had technology back in the God knows what era to write it in the Bible. That's crazy. It was like, hey, in 42,000 years from now, trading is gonna be bad. Just asking for my friend.
Just asking for my friend.
What do you think about us taking Asia high today? You think it's gonna happen, or you think we're gonna start stalling out?
What was Asia Psi 346?
Mine is 346.
It's doable. It's definitely doable. Right now, we're trying to print a bull flag.
Yeah, on the 5 minute, it definitely looks more like that 5 minute bull flag is starting to push up for sure.
So it's definitely doable. We already went through the close from Friday, so anything's up for grabs at this point. So we got 2 candles here showing selling pressure.
Stretch.
I want to see some more follow through from the bulls if I want to go long here, because we got 2 candles with selling pressure, so doesn't make me overly optimistic to take a long. Not trying to fight the current momentum on the market.
Don't kick us against the pricks.
What can you do?
Patiently wait. That's all we can do, bro.
Yeah, I'm so mad at myself for being so greedy. I was trying to get an entry all the way here down like at 148, and I knew the start of the entry was 173.
Your greed is actually legendary in our circles, so don't feel bad.
What? Did you miss a trade, or you were...
No, yeah, I missed it. I saw it completely. I was hoping it was going to go deeper into the retracement, and then it just started, after it got the liquidity, it just started going up.
Ah.
Oh yeah, you need to be interested in trading. That's a joke. That's a dad joke.
Oh no.
I recommend trading with prop firms. It's safer than trading your own personal money.
Yeah, but then you can't sweat on your feet.
Alex, I do not sell bots or and technically I don't sell my strategy, but if you join the Legacy Wealth Society under one of the paid plans, you do get my strategy included. But you can join completely for free as well to the community.
The community.
So for all the new people in here, we trade the Nasdaq Monday through Friday at 9:20 a.m. Eastern. We go live. And every single night of the week, we do a traders hangout at 9:30 p.m. Eastern time, where we talk trading, talk life, and everything in between. So if you want to come hang out with us tonight, definitely come. It's always a good vibe. And I appreciate all y'all learning, growing, and winning with us. Where do you pay? You have to go to the community, bro. So it's in the description of this stream. Click the link for the Legacy Wealth Society. You can join completely for free, or if you want to learn my strategy and execute, go to one of the paid tiers. The voices you hear on these streams with me, those are the market makers of the community. So they get live access with me to ask questions, everything like that.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning,
There
Mitt.
he is.
What?
How's everybody doing?
All
You gotta
right.
go with your mom.
Good to hear.
No,
Good to
no,
hear.
no. I said no. Go with your mom. Or your brother. All right, so we just pushed through my 272 level, right back below it. So I've been waiting. I want to see us have momentum to the upside above this 272 for me to take along here, because we did just do a bull flag on this 2 minute, but I need more. I need more than that for me to want to jump in.
Are we having good trades this morning so far?
Yeah, we took some trades. I'm up in accounts. I'm down in only one account. I've traded today 4. How many accounts did I trade? So I've traded a total of 5 accounts today. I'm
Nice.
green in 4 of them, red in 1.
Let's go.
I'm flat, unfortunately.
It happens. It happens.
It's better be flat than down.
100%.
True.
Absolutely.
Actually, no, I've traded 6 accounts today. I'm green 5 accounts, down 1 account.
Heck yeah.
What is that Teddy sort of thing in your room? That's an art piece that I custom did myself.
101.
That is a 1-to-1 right there. I liquid painted it.
Liquid gold.
That's the money bear. That's the official money bear. That's the office mascot.
Bro, get that on a shirt. Shmoney Bear.
Smoney bear.
Legacy World Society. Shmoney Bear. You can put that on a card. The Shmoney Bear card.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'll stop with all these crazy ideas.
No, you're good. I love the ideas. Like right now, but I want to take it long above 272. If we stay below it, then we'll probably come back down again.
I think I'm gonna chill until 11. To be honest.
Smart play as well. Smart play.
It's already 10:48, right?
And actually, instead of me looking for a trade on this account, let me just rotate to one of the other ones. You know, play it smart like Moose. Play it smart like Moose every day. Come on, Betsy. There's 272.
We've got a mini SMT. What up?
$390 quick right there. But I do feel like we're going to keep pushing up now.
We're gonna tap 311.
From your lips to God's ears. Lock that in right there as well. So we'll take that. Let me just rotate some to some different accounts here. Might as well, right? So now we got that Asia's high up there at 346. We're above the 272 level, which was my first target here. I want to see us build a nice little bull flag now to take us higher. We did touch that 300 even, so we already know how the market moves at those whole numbers. Well, I get that, Sunshine. That's like for me with gold and silver, I hold the hard currency. The tangible. I like the tangible.
You get to feel the weight of it in his hands.
Yep. Let's see if we build a flag. I want to stay above 270, 275. As long as we stay above 272, 75 right now, we'll be building on a flag here that I will patiently wait to take another trade on. Cam, no, those are the market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society. So for the market makers, they have live access. They're on our private Zoom call where they can trade. They're trading live with me, so they can ask questions, anything like that, live. You know what I'm saying? So. Let's see. I'm fine if we pull back a little bit. I just want to stay above 270, 275. As long as we stay above that, I feel like we'll build out a nice little bull flag here to take us high to that Asian low or a high. Oh man, boys. Your boy's gonna be crying next Sunday. I'm gonna be crying at the resort in Mexico. I'm gonna be crying.
You getting married?
I'm gonna be crying. When I'm at the resort, I'm gonna be crying. I'm like, everything's free since it's all inclusive.
Oh, that's why.
No, I'm excited for Mexico, but I'm really excited to drop the vlog from Canada, which is dropping later today. I gotta put the thumbnail together and post it. All you guys, let me know what you guys think of it. This is our first official vlog of the year. And I did not do the editing, so you'll actually appreciate it probably a little bit more this time because it actually flows. So, all right, so we did build out a small bull flag. Getting ready to YOLO on his eval. Let's see how much it gives us. Come on, Betsy. Go ahead. Run
Come
it.
on, let's go.
Run it. Give me 1,000. Give me 1,000. $1,000 chicken dinner. There's 1,000. Let's see if it gives us a little bit more. Locked it in right there, $1,300. Not too shabby. Not too freaking shabby. Let's see, what other accounts do I want to trade? What other accounts? Every account could get some a day.
I was in that with you, Duane. When I saw you enter, I was like, hey, time to roll. Appreciate you, bro. That was fire.
Smooth, 200's a base hit, bro. Good job. There's no such thing as getting out early. There's no such thing as getting out early when it comes to trading. Because as long as you profit, you won what we're doing here. As long as you profit, you're winning. So don't let, when the market keeps going, you're not in anymore, don't let that affect you. Because you made $200 from clicking a simple button where other people have to go out, work for 8 hours to make $200. Just saying. Perspective, boys. Perspective.
Perspective.
We're going to build out another flag right here to take us higher. Cam, Mr. Duane, yes. How can I assist you, Cam? Because the Mr. Duane's very serious right there. Very serious. When someone says Mr. Duane, first off, you're making me feel old. I'm only 35, bro. But I'm glad you didn't say Mrs. Duane. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of weird. You know what I'm saying? Like, I appreciate you. So, dropping the vlog today. Excited. Go ahead, Times. Good job, bro. Good job. So right now on just our YouTube streams, we got over 40 something people over there. Appreciate all y'all tuning in and hanging out with us. Tonight we got the traders hanging out 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to try talking about trading, talking about life and everything in between. Because who knows what else we'll talk about. That's why I said try tonight. But I'm excited. I'm excited. Once the stream ends, it's coming up on 11 o'clock, by the way, less than 30 seconds for 11. So be careful. I got to handle some stuff for the business and get to the gym. I got to act like I work out a little bit here and there. And then
act like you work out.
Just act like, you know what I'm saying? Like, act like. You know you're losing weight when you have family members come over and they're like, hey, you look like you lost a lot of weight. I'm like, dang, I didn't know I was that fat. But it is what it is. All right, so there's the bull flag that just printed.
I see what y'all think about me.
For real, right? Bro, I did lose weight in my head, bro. All the weight I lost came from my head. That's why I'm able to trade so good now. I have less weight up there holding me down.
I'm trying to gain some muscle weight so I can push this X button when I see some green. A little faster, you know?
Come on, market. Give it to me. Take me to my yellow line. Here comes the yellow line. I want follow through, though. I need follow through.
Is your bottom right chart like way off the screen?
That should be a little bit better. I had to scroll it.
Oh. I was like, how's he seeing where he's at? Looks like it's off the screen.
No, if you're on the shorts, for you, if it's like that, you guys, I can still see it. Like, you guys are only seeing a portion of it.
Oh, you got like the selection section of it.
Kim, I'm glad you love the strategy, bro. I have build something that was simple. I don't like complicated. I like simple. I like making money. So I found something that worked, put it together, and here we are. So we never touched my yellow line. We did not touch the yellow line there. Still want to see if we do, but we got some selling pressure on this candle. So hold your beers, boys. Who knows what's going to happen? It's 11:02 right now. I feel like the market wants to push for that Asian high. I feel like it wants to. It's just going slow. We may get a slight little pullback before we actually go up and tap it. Kim, I'm glad you're a top fan, bro. Anthony, no, it's not win rate focused, but I win over 82% of the time. So for me, that's a decent win rate. Not trying to be perfect here, because at the end of the day, and here's the thing, right? If I have a losing day, it's because of something I did, not the strategy. Because I would have FOMO'd, or I told myself not to trade the chop, and I tried trading the chop, and you get chopped up. Well, you need a long. Hold my beer, Warren. I got you. Let me see what I can do. I'll call the market makers real quick.
Yeah, make some quick phone calls.
Well, we just printed a bear flag, actually. We're printing a bear flag on the 2-minute there. So, no long yet. No long yet. The Bears are trying to print a bear flag right now. They tried. The Bulls did step in there. Let's see if we break through my yellow line there at the 320 area right there. Then that would be your long. But we had to break through it with momentum. Still not touching the line. Still not touching my line yet, so just in a holding pattern right now, waiting. Yeah, be careful up here. Be careful. Because we do have selling pressure. So just be careful up here. Come on, Bulls. Break through my yellow line so I can take another long here. Cam, I prefer Tradeify than Lucid than take Profit Trader. It's looking heavy right now. It is looking heavy. I took a short, waiting to see if this pays off. If not, I'll close out. But she's looking heavy right now, boys. Come on, momentum. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. If the Bears don't drop it here, I'll probably just close this. Because right now we're consolidating. And I hate being in consolidation while in a trade. Because it's dangerous. It's dangerous. So I closed that one. Lunch hour. Yeah. In a little bit. Waiting for this to do its move. We're consolidating right now. But watch it drop now because I closed out. So right now, it's tough right now. It's tough. What's up? Welcome. I'm in Florida too. We just built a beautiful looking bull flag on the 2 minute. On the 2 minute, looking like a bull flag. Let's see if we get some momentum here. Oh, is this a growth account? I thought this was a select account. That is a select growth account. I'm like, why did I get stopped out? Let's switch to that one. Vlad. I'll be probably jumping off stream today at 11:30 at the latest. Because I gotta handle some other things. I gotta handle some business. I gotta send some invoices out, everything like that. So definitely gotta get that done before I go to the gym. What account did I just pick? No, that's. So we do have selling pressure up here. I'm just doing some scalps on this one. I'm mentally done trading. So right now I'm just scalping. Just taking some haircuts.
I really wanted to see Asia High get taken, but
we're close to it, bro.
The Dow is just dropping.
Dropping? What do you mean? We're getting ready to hit Asian highs on the overnight high.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I was really hoping we were gonna keep pushing for it, but you know, like the Dow Jones.
Yeah.
Unless it's forming like some kind of bullish array to go higher, then like it makes sense we'll get it. But it's just like it's starting to make like a lower high and a new lower low.
Gotcha.
So it might start the selling pressure might spread to the S&P and the Nasdaq 100.
Mm-hmm.
But if it's a correction, then it could actually potentially give fuel because people would probably want to keep buying the Nasdaq and the S&P if the Dow Jones starts like rejecting and going higher, because then it's gonna basically spread the buying pressure.
Yeah. Well, I feel like we're going to hit this Asian high because that 346 is way too close to us right now for us not to touch it.
True.
Like I feel like we're going to test that level, and we may possibly reject at it, but we're going to definitely test it.
I really want to take it. I want to see us take it.
Well, are you guys talking about the Asian high from last night that ended at 266?
It's like 232.
I had 346 for my overnight high.
Yeah. It's 346. Like,
yeah. I'm like 320. I don't got no 326. I'm 346. Here we go.
Oh, y'all
Let's see if
we pre-market Asian high.
No, we're talking about the one in the future where it's gonna close.
I got my thing on here telling me like when the markets, like the actual trading markets happen versus like the pre-market stuff. So I was like, wait, what? And I was like, my blue line over here is telling me down there. I was like, what?
Yeah, expect to keep going up because I have a target further up sitting at 379.25. So that would be my real target, would be the 379. We just got to get through 346 first to get to that 379. So
get to it.
Yeah. Let's see here. Let me check on everyone else. I'm so excited for Wednesday. Come this Wednesday, we will officially be fully monetized on YouTube. Crazy to say that. Crazy to freaking say that because we just started doing this mid-November, this extra stream, how we do it, and it's been producing. Like, we're going to hit 2K subs this month. By the end of the month, we'll hit 2K subs. And honestly, that means I got to give away another desk. Things I do for y'all. What can I say? So we'll be giving away another standing desk. Your boy's going to jump in the pool again, even though it's freezing. And then I'm probably going to give away some evals and stuff to Trader Fire Lucid as well. So make sure you're tuning in for those Trader Hangouts because that's when it'll happen when you hit the 2K subs. And that's when we'll spin the wheel so people can win some desks, win some evals, and everything in between.
Clean that desk.
He's locked in. He wants the desk.
Oh, it's a nice desk. It's a real nice desk.
I don't personally need the desk. I have my own little thing going here, but
Well, we did not touch Asian High, but right now on this flag, it's looking spooky. Because what direction is this going in? In an upward direction. Flags, when it's upward direction, what has to happen? Ooh, Nelly. Ooh, Nelly. 10 more minutes before I jump off. 10 more minutes. Hopefully no big moves happen so I can like get off safely. I'm hungry right now. I'm hungry. I have not cheated on the diet. Trying to get to Mexico and best believe I'm cheating. I'm eating everything in Mexico. But last night was so hard. I had so many delicious like mac and cheese, just all the desserts your heart could desire.
Bro, it's feasting.
Bro, I had to like be like a horse with blinders on just to get my meat and leave. That was it. It was difficult. I even ate. Listen, I was like ready at FOMO and eating everything last night, right? Where I had to go outside and eat by myself. Everyone else was sitting inside watching the TV, eating.
It's real.
I had to go outside and sit by myself, and someone came and was like, "Why do you look like you got bullied and you had to sit outside?" It was rough.
Talk about it.
Guys, I gotta get ready for a client. I'm out of here.
All right, Moose. Have a good day, sir. See you
Take
tomorrow.
it easy.
Have a good one.
You too.
All right.
And then there were 5.
5 of the market makers, but we got 30 on the YouTube streams.
Heck yeah. Let's go.
I think we went all the way to like 40 something, like almost 50 a day on the streams. So slowly but surely, we're growing. So we'll take it. Come on, Betsy. Do either swipe Asian high or go low. That's all I want right now. So I gotta see I gotta see, because on one of the accounts today, I made like 600 something bucks in one of my fundeds. Super fast. It was like 2 seconds. Like the market just did a quick little swipe and I took it. I gotta see where that puts me at for my not consistency, the micro scalping with Tradeify, because I'm trying to get 5K in payouts this week. Anthony, it depends on how you're copy trading. I don't copy trade, so I prefer a rotate through my accounts instead of copy trading, because say you have a losing trade on one account, you have a losing trade on all your accounts, copy trading. So I rather trade the way I do, just rotate and put profits in base hits each account, and I keep it moving. And if I lose in an account, I don't trade that account for the rest of the day. I keep it moving. I just rotate. It minimizes your risk in the markets and gives you a higher upside. But if you're going to copy trade, I recommend copy trading like with Tradeivate, because their copy trade is really solid. And it's not a third party, so it works better. Because normally the slippage comes from third party like copy traders, because it takes that extra second for the entries, exits, everything like that. Let me turn my heater on. It's kind of cold up here right now. Like, what's going on? Huh? Okay. Yeah, more power to you for copy trading. I don't do it myself yet, at least. I don't like the feeling of it. That's crazy. So for today's stream, because I'm done trading, by the way, market's moving too slow. We did over 1,400 views on today's stream.
Awesome. Hey, Duane, I'm going to kick out of here. I got some things to do.
All right, man. Have a good rest of your day. See you tomorrow morning.
Money. All right, later.
Yes, sir. We got 4 more minutes for myself, and then I'm jumping off. I gotta learn all this, because now there's this whole thing, how I could put ads in the streams and all that. Probably won't do that on the morning stream. Probably on the hangout stream, I'll let the ads run on that one, but the morning stream I probably won't.
That's funny. You're gonna have to do a section where when an ad runs, you have to like chill out for a second, and then wait for everybody to come back.
Uh-oh, what did I click? What did I click? Oh boy. Oh boys, how do I go back? I'm pushing too many buttons right now. Yeah, see, this is all new to me, so I'm gonna have to learn it, learn how this stuff all works. Because by by Wednesday we'll be fully monetized. Right now we're partially monetized, but Wednesday we'll be fully monetized. We just took the Asian high. There we go.
There we go. Yeah, NQ took it finally. Yes, took it a while ago. Well, not a while ago. Took it out like 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, that's a while ago. In trading time, that's a while ago. All right, Brett, have a good rest of your day, bro.
My trading view is bugging. That's
Yeah?
fine, then I should close it.
That's not good.
Like when I move my mouse, everything's like delayed.
I hate whenever my stuff does that now on trading on Ninja Trader, I always have to like do the full like reset, like shut it down and go back on it.
It's just so funny to look at too, because like I can just like make whatever I want with it, and then
Yeah.
the whole thing flags for like 30 seconds.
That's horrible. So let me refresh my trading dashboard. It should be updated by now. Nope, still not updated yet. But so far for the month, been pretty solid this month. We'll take it. So far for the month, we're up 14 grand. And this thing's still pumping. Well, trying to a little bit. Trying to stair step up. I'd be looking for, if I was still trying to trade, 379 would be what I'd be looking for. Still trying to go. Well, folks, it's officially 11:30. I'm gonna be jumping off here. It's been a pleasure trading with you, market makers, Legacy, and YouTube. Appreciate all you guys coming to make money with us like usual. I will see you guys tonight for the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. So definitely lock in for that. BP, G, who else is in here? Mitch, Carmona. Stay safe in the markets, boys. Chandler, Cam, all y'all have a great rest of your day. I'll check y'all tonight.
Take care.
All right, guys, have a good one.
You too.